how to use the videos Batalla de los Dioses in your from the History Channel in your class. Hi, I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this is YAMA Culture. And this is how I use the videos Batalla de los Dioses from the History Channel in my classroom. Okay, so first, I only use these videos with my advanced classes. Okay, so what do they have to do first? They have to watch the video. So when they watch the video, they have to do the following things. First, they have to write down who are the gods in today's video. They have to write that down. Then they have to write 20 questions with their answers about the video. Any 20 questions, as long as the answers are in a complete sentence, obviously in Spanish or in the target language. Then they have to answer in which of the AP themes does this video fall in according to them. They have to support it, they have to say why. Okay? Now, when they're ready to hand in, what they're going to hand in is this. On a piece of paper, what they're going to do is this. They're going to write a formal greeting to me, and then they're going to write 4 paragraphs using the answers from the questions that used here. Okay? Why 4 paragraphs? Well, usually 5 sentences form a paragraph. So if they did 20, you do the math. Then they're going to explain what AP theme this video falls in and why. Okay, this is number 3 right here. And then they're going to write a farewell, a formal farewell to you, dedicated to you or directed to you. And then once they're done, what they can do is they can hand in via written, or they can do a seesaw. They can have the written paper and just take a picture and just upload it to Seesaw, or they can read it and via Seesaw in front of them. They can do a little video of them doing the Seesaw, or just upload it to Seesaw, or they can use an audio. All right. Now, what do I consider advanced levels? Well, advanced levels are going to be 4 AP Language and Culture, 5 AP Language and Literature, and native Spanish speakers here, or Spanish speakers here. Okay. Next thing, what's the positive things, or the positive, or what's the reasoning for them watching this video? Well, first, they get to hear another voice in Spanish. They get to hear a bunch of voices in Spanish, different from me. All right. Then they're going to listen to academic terminology. The people that give their insight between scenes in the video are well, they're academics of the subject. And very importantly here is they have exposure to different pre-Hispanic legends. Yeah, we're not just talking about, the students usually know all the legends from Europe or from Asia, but here they get to learn that here in the Americas, we also had Odysseys, we also had warriors, we also had gods that did great things for their people. All right, they had great adventures. And here we go. These are the videos. These are the very themes that they have. So first, they have Quetzalcoatl. They also have Huatlicue. They have Unampu en Ixpalanque, and they have Pachamama. Now, another reason why I like these is because they're always educational. All right, I love it because they're always educational. You always learn something new. And the last part is, let me show you what the channels look like. Okay, so you see right here, you can see Huatlicue, and then you have Quetzalcoatl, which shows Huatlicue again, but back down here you have Pachamama. All right. Anyway. So this is how I use the videos Batalla de los Dioses from the History Channel in my class. I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this was YAMA Culture. And before we leave, before I leave, I want to give some shout outs. Let me see. Alright, well, nobody's alive right now, but the shout out that I do want to give is to all my colleagues, all the teachers out there that now are doing quadruple work remotely from the house, you know, with the kids and all the stuff that you have to do in the house. I understand that it's pretty rough, and trust me, I know it. Especially if you're just doing it by yourself. It's gonna be pretty tough. It's gonna be good. All right, just like summer of sorts. Now, if you have any comments, please jot them down. Questions, suggestions. I love suggestions. If you'd like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Please click like. YouTube, I have a YouTube channel. Please, if you could, go there. If you need any online classes, contact me. Or if you need any translations or subtitles for videos, you can contact me from Spanish to English or English to Spanish. All right. Also, I want to invite all my colleagues to join my Facebook page. It's called Board Teachers. I'm going to put a link also in the description down there. So if you want to join, especially right now that I'm pretty sure there's a lot of board teachers. Okay, well, I'll see you when I see you.